Hello my friends and welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna see how to make shrimp with rice. It's a very delicious recipe, fast and easy to make. But before we start, if this is your first time here, please subscribe and ring the bell so you'll get everything new from our channel. Thank you for watching and let's cooking. First let's see our ingredients. I have here 1 cup of washed rice. I'm gonna leave it in soak for around 30 minutes. Half kilo of shrimp washed and cleaned. 1 tomato cut in small pieces. Bell pepper, green, yellow and red. 2 spoons of tomato sauce. Half spoon of dry coriander. Half spoon of cumin. A small spoon of pepper. We also have 1 spoon of salt and 1 spoon of curcuma. 1 onion cut it in small pieces and 3 garlic cloves cut it in small pieces. Now let's go and see how to prepare our dish. In a pan over the stove, we put a little bit of oil, any kind of oil, and put the onions on it. We're gonna fry the onion until it start change its color. After that we add the garlic. Leave it for a little bit. Then we add the bell pepper. Mix them all together. And leave it cooking for around 5 minutes. After 5 minutes we're gonna add the tomato. Leave it cooking for around 3 minutes, then add the shrimp and the spices. Mix them all together for around 5 minutes. Then add the tomato sauce, the curcuma and the salt. Leave it there for 3 minutes and turn the heat off. In a pot over the stove, mix the shrimp with the rice for around 2 minutes, then add a hot water. As you all know, the water must be 2 centimeters over the rice. Leave it for around 10 minutes until the rice absorbed all the water. Then turn the heat down and cover the pot and leave it for 20 minutes more. This is the final look for our dish for today. If you like it, please give us a like and share it with your friends. Thank you for watching and goodbye.